In this video, let me show you how to use the Goodreads Ask the Author feature. So if you're trying to ask any sort of questions to your favorite authors inside of Goodreads, what you simply need to do is head over to the community tab that you should be able to view on the top of the screen. Now, this process is not available on the mobile app, so you'll need to do it through the web version. So just click on the community tab, and right here you'll be able to see the option which says Ask the Author. You can simply tap on this option, and then all of the authors that you follow would be visible right inside of this section. Just pick the author that you try to ask the question to and tap on the ask option. Now here inside of this section, you need to type in the question that you have, and you can tap on the ask option on the bottom. Now it is not certainly sure that the author will reply, but there is a chance, so you can just ask a question, type in a question, and then simply tap on the ask option. So by following this exact process, you can use the Ask the Author feature inside of Goodreads. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.